Granite is one of the most affordable snack and easily accessible snack you can get, and it can be used for different type of things. You can use granite for granite soup, for peanuts, etc. It has different functions, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you or giving you step by step guidelines on how you can start your granite business and also do your research for demand. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Tocha, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. If you're a returning watcher and you haven't subscribed, please by having to subscribe. On this channel we'll talk on how to grow your brand, improve your business, and also business tips that you can start, or tips of businesses that you can start. So like I said earlier, you can start a granite business, and this can actually be done from the comfort of your home. You guys, around my area there are these ladies that I usually see. They would have already fried the granite from their houses, and because they just want people to trust them more, they will bring the granite to shops, and these shops are like, it's not their personal shops that they are paying for. They are just shops where they stay to display their granules. Then you can see them there peeling the granules and bottling them and all of that inside the shop, so that you can be able to see the process that they're using for the granules, right? So you can do it from the comfort of your home. That's just what I'm trying to say. And the first step for you to start this business is for you to know who your customers are. Who are your customers? Who are the people that you want to be selling to? Who are the people that you want to, of course, almost everybody, definitely, it's not everybody, almost everybody eats granules. Like, you want to snack on something, can easily just buy granules. It's not expensive, but they make money from it. There are some granules that you see, they will tell you 100 naira, 200. They make money from it, but it's not expensive, which helps them to sell out more, right? So you know your customers. Who are the people you want to be selling to? Who do you want to send your granules to assist you in selling? Because if you're starting from your home, obviously you can't be displaying in your house. Then you have to source for quality granules, right? There are some granules that when after frying, it tastes like stick, right? So you need to know who your supplier is, how their granules usually taste, if it has a good taste, or after frying it's going to be tasting like sticks and your customers will be complaining. So make sure that you have a good supplier, that the granules tastes good. The equipment that you need for frying of these granules is not much. You just need a frying pan, a basket, right? And then an airtight container, because obviously when you finish frying and peeling the back, if you want to peel the back or whatsoever, you need to put it in an airtight container that you make sure that air will not be entering, so that it will not spoil. So that's just what you need. You see why I say this granite business is not stressful. It's not stressful at all. Then your fifth one is your production process. Your production process, you make sure that you select the granules. Sometimes when you buy granules and then you're chewing it, you get some that has rotten or that is tasting weird and all of that. It just simply means that the granule seller didn't do a diligent job in selecting and removing the bad ones. There are some granules that are bad. The granule might taste great, but you cannot, is not evictable, or is inevitable for you not to see a bad granite in a bag of granite that you bought for sale, for commercial use, right? So you have to make sure that you do the selection and remove the bad ones from the good ones, so that have your customers complaining that the granules that they bought from you are bad. That's number one thing. The two is for you to make sure that you wash and soak in salted water, like wash and soak in salted water, so that that's the process of how you produce it. You can Google it yourself, you can ask You can ask people. I'm just giving you the process. Then you roast it till it turns golden. Then you go for your marketing. That's the number six. You do your marketing research. You go for your marketing. You can even do online marketing, shops, schools, offices, social media. You guys, you know what the marketing is all about now. So you have to do your marketing, because if you don't do your marketing, you will not sell your goods. So make sure you do your marketing well, and then you'll be able to sell. This groundnut business is easy to start, especially when you have local shops that you can always send your groundnuts to, where they will help you to display it. Some people might want to, collect tips, little or no money, for just helping you to display, but it's very important for you to make sure that your granite is good and tastes nice, because your customers always return once you have a great product. If you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, like, share, and also leave a comment for me in the comment section. If you have any question, leave it, or you have an idea of a business that you want to start and you want to know more about it, you can leave it in the comment section, and we'll just talk about it, discuss about it, or your question, we'll just discuss. I'll do a video on it and we'll discuss about it. I'll see you in my next one. Stay blessed. Bye.